Growing up, I was never into race cars, and that changed once I started at Elon. In an engineering class during my first year, one of my professors told us that when he was in college, he was on a team that built a race car from scratch. I thought that was cool, and I started researching Formula One electric cars. A few weeks later, I asked my professor what would it take to create a team at Elon and build a race car. I got some of my friends together to help, and now, 4 years later, we've developed our team, Phoenix Racing. We've connected with engineers and other teams, raised money, read a lot of books, sourced materials, and we're designing and building an electric race car. My name is Nick Muller. I'm a senior at Elon, majoring in engineering. We've machined components, welded the chassis, and designed the driver's interface and circuitry that will power the motor of the car. We still have money to raise and a lot of work to do, but we can roll and steer the car now. The team dedicates most of their Saturdays to work in the car in the Clark Prototype Lab in Founders Hall. I learned how to balance life with work, although it's not just work. It's something we're passionate about. We're not forced to be there, we want to be there. I've also been working on a thesis for the honors program with my mentor, Dr. Sue. I'm designing sensing technology for obstacle avoidance that's lower in cost than the ones that currently exist on the market. That's one of the reasons I chose to attend Elon. I felt like I could grow as an individual while having the personalized support of faculty. I knew there was a lot of opportunity here, and I was right. I've been given the chance to use the engineering skills that I've learned at Elon to build a race car from scratch. We built something from nothing. The team was hoping to compete in the Formula SAE electric competition this June, but we're 26th on the wait list. Whether we can compete or not, the goal is to go to the competition for the experience and to learn. Since I'm graduating in May, and we probably won't get to compete until next year, I won't be here to finish the car. It's disappointing, but I realize it was never about the final product. It's always been about the process, the community, and connections that I've built, and all the skills that I've learned.